Today is Tuesday, August 25th. It's been exactly 3 weeks to the day since my motorcycle crash racing at Great Lakes Dragaway. On this past Friday, I went in for surgery to repair a broken collarbone, which needed to be put back together with a plate and either pins or screws. I waited until recently to post a notice on Joyous Prairies, someone who I respect very much, who I was pretty sure would understand why I chose her page to reveal my accident. I've been in a lot of pain since then, since the day of the accident, and only recently been able to move around a bit. Hopefully anyone will understand my odd situation. Anyone wishes to contact me directly, I'm willing to post my email after the message I made on her webpage. Video post about INFJs and so forth. Hopefully in the near future I will possibly post a little more revealing video, maybe, if I'm up to it. Thanks for your patience.